I just love sitting outside and listening to the wind chimes. I mean, it is just a beautiful spring day. We're starting to pull new stuff out for the yard, and we've got these brand new Yeti wind chimes, or Sasquatch, or Bigfoot, whatever you might want to call him. But I saw the opportunity for these and I just couldn't resist. They come in this nice copper color. I'll give you a close-up look of that. And it comes fully assembled. So all I had to do is take it out of the box, unwrap everything, and hang it up. So let's take a close-up look. It's really windy today. And these just look beautiful. Give you a close-up look here. The little Yetis, and then there's one more big one right there. So really just a beautiful wind chime set. I am so happy, so pleased with it. Really great quality. I think you will love it.